Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 7th NCERT Chapter of Perimeter and Area. This is 6th question of its exercise 11.2. So the question says that DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 cm square, AB is equal to 35 cm, AD is equal to 49 cm. Find the length of BM and DL. सो हमें एरिया गिवन है 1470 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, ए बी इज इक्वल टू 35 सेंटीमीटर, ए डी इज इक्वल टू 49 सेंटीमीटर एंड हमें डीएल फाइंड आउट करना है एंड बी एम. सो एरिया ऑफ parallelogram is equal to height into base. So हमें given है area 1470 is equal to AB into DL height into base. So AB की वैल्यू हमारे पास 35 into DL. So DL is equal to, by cross multiplication, 35 is equal to 42 centimeter. Then again area of parallelogram is equal to height into base. So area हमें given है 1470 and height हो जाएगी हमारे पास BM जो कि हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है एंड बेस हमें गिवन है AD. So 1470 is equal to BM into 49. So by cross multiplication BM is equal to 1470 upon 49. So ये जाएगा हमारे पास 30. So DL is equal to 42 centimeter and BM is equal to 30 centimeter. Thank you.